Today I'm going to show you exactly why you need Wave.Video if you're looking to add captions to your videos in 2021 and you're looking to do so, one, very professionally, and two, incredibly easily. So let's jump right into it, waste no time. Wave.Video is the product, and if we come into a video, we can actually, let's jump into our video. Let's just pick one. So I'm going to come here to my thank you page video for my email sign up. This will be a good one. We're actually going to come in and edit the video. If you want to see more Wave videos, leave a comment down below. But there's a lot to go over with this product, and today we're focusing exclusively on captions. So I'm going to make videos separately on different things within, things I like, things I don't. But regardless, captions are very easy. It's done automatically. All you have to do is hit auto captions, do its thing. You do have to hit create captions. It'll say just a minute, and then it's going to take some time. This is a 2-minute video, but that is it. All we have to do after that is style it how we want, and I frankly don't think you even need much styling. And then also you need to make some minor tweaks, but depending on how you talk and how your voice is you might have to make a few minor tweaks, but nothing significant, and it is all done inside the app, 100% quick, easy. In the AppSumo store, you can pick up Wave for 5 more days. I'm just going to show you real quick what you get. It's a very simple choice. Are you using this for personal or for video? You also get 2 other options. You get the hosting and the animatron studio, I think I said that right, which I have not taken a look at yet, but I love those are bonuses to me. So that I might end up using a ton, I might not, I'm not sure, but the Wave Video Business Plan is what I got, $118 one-time payment. This is a lifetime deal because the Creator Plan, you get pretty much everything with a 15-minute limit and 20 video embeds with, where's it at? 1 brand preset. Whereas with the business, you get 50 brand presets, 200 free embeds, and then that 30-minute limit, which, you know, the limits, it's just going to depend. But with the business, you get the important reseller rights, which means you can sell them, as well as white label preview, uploading your own fonts, and then this automatic captioning. So what we're doing today, you're going to need this business plan, I believe. And that can be had for $118. A link will be in the description. Now we jump back in, and what we see is that it is complete. It is finished up, so that took less than, I would say, 3 minutes, give or take, to do a 2-minute video. And then let's play it and let's see what it looks like. Thank you for subscribing to the aiPROFITz. Okay, so what we can see there's a little lag. That's because of the screen recorder, I believe. But here we're going to need to change. It obviously doesn't know that aiPROFITz is with a Z. So I'm actually going to change this to the way that I like to spell it out, which is aiPROFITz. Now that we have our captions, we can change the styling by coming up here, changing the colors, the karaoke style where it highlights. Watch this. Thank you for subscribing. That's the karaoke style. We can turn that off, and then we can do it again. Thank you for subscribing. And it's not, so I like karaoke style myself. Then we can also do different types of boxes. If we want the classic box, if we want a basic, if we want a rounded box, maybe we want an outline, which is what we were on. Maybe we want a shadow or a transparent box. You see they've got a bunch of different box options, right? It's all going to be dependent on you and what your style is. I like this outline. I like the default. If we want to change up the fonts, we can do that here. On the settings tab, we can burn in the captions, which make it a part of the video that can't be turned off. We can download the SRT file, or we can remove all of the captions. And again, we can edit these captions just as easily as coming in here and typing them just like that. So all in all, this is very easy. We can go through our video and we can make sure everything looks accordingly. And then when we're done, we just simply come here and we render this thing out. That's all we need to do. We can get a white label link and share it. And this has been Wave.Video's caption solution. This right here is well worth, in my personal opinion, the $118 one-time payment. if you used this alone, this automatic captioning for your social media content. We all know people watch their videos on mute. You need to caption your videos almost no matter what you do on Facebook. Now, I'll be the first to admit, a lot of times I'm lazy and don't want to go through and actually caption them. This right here will make that a no-brainer. So I didn't put my phone on silent before I started this. My apologies, but I hope this video brought you some value. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Like this video if it did bring you value. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz.com, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.